Zainul Abidin.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafsa Khatun. At first, I wish you all very happy Independence Day. It's an honor for me to address you all on our 77th Independence Day. Today, as we all know that it was on this fateful day in 1947 that we gained independence. Today, thanks to the freedom fighters and political prisoners of that time, they had to envision a free and united India, fought courageously against British invaders to make their dream true. Finally, their dream was realized on 15th August 1947. Though the nation had to pay heavy price for it, many freedom fighters sacrificed their life to make this country free. Many freedom fighters like Ashfaqullah Khan, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Bhimrao Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi worked very hard to make our country free from Britishers. And that's how we got independence. So now let's end the speech with a pledge to maintain sovereignty, equality and brotherhood of our nation. I'm proud to be an Indian. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.